Hello kids! Today we are going to explore how bears survive in freezing winter. We have Mr. Bear with us to explain their mystery. Say hello to Mr. Bear. How do you survive IHB enemy siege in cold winter, Mr. Bear?
Hello kids! It's a very interesting question that you want to know our winter mystery. There are different adaptation mechanisms for the winter. Let's see them together, one by one, kids. Number one is thick fur coat.
First of all, check out my thick fur coat. It's like wearing a fluffy winter jacket all the time. Nice and warm.
Number two is layer of fat.
Under my fur, I've got a layer of fat or blubber. Think of it as my built-in blanket. It keeps me cozy even when the snow is falling.
Number three is hibernation.
When winter comes, I like to take a long nap called hibernation. I sleep through the coldest months.
Number four is slow heartbeat.
While I'm sleeping, my heartbeat slows down. Boom, boom. Much slower than usual. That way, I don't waste too much energy.
Number five is low body temperature.
My body temperature drops a little too. Just enough to save energy, but not enough to freeze. Pretty smart, right?
Number six is high stored food energy.
Before I nap, I eat a lot of food. Berries, fish, honey, yum! All that food turns into energy stored inside my body for the winter.
Number seven is warm and safe dens.
I make sure I find a safe den, maybe a cave or a hole in the ground, so I can stay hidden from the snow and wind.
Number eight is strong sense of smell.
I also have a super strong nose. I can smell food from far away, which helps me stock up before winter comes.
Number nine is thick paws.
Take a look at my paws. They're big and furry, like built-in snow boots, so I can walk easily on the snow without freezing my toes.
Number 10 is flexible diet.
And guess what? I can eat many different foods. I'm not picky. This flexible diet helps me grow strong and round before I hibernate. Kids, that's how I survive the icy winter, with fur, fat, naps, and some clever tricks. Now, tell me, would you like to spend the winter snuggled up in a cozy cave just like me? Stay warm, my little friends, and see you next time.
Wow, kids! Look, bears are like nature's winter survival experts. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, kids. See you next time.